How to use Claude AI in VS Code. So you're gonna have to open up your VS Code, of course, and in order to use that Claude AI, you're gonna have to install a new extension. So on the left over here, just go ahead and press on extensions and search for Klein. Just go ahead and download the one that's verified, since that should be the one that's actually Klein. And once you download it, you should be able to get a new option over here in the left section, which is Klein itself. Then you're gonna have to use your own API key. So by pressing the settings option over here, you'll be able to see this enter API key option. Then put in your API provider as a Anthropic. So once it's Anthropic, you can go ahead and go to the Anthropic console to your preferred browser. So once you choose an Anthropic, you're gonna have to go to your preferred browser and search for Anthropic console. Then once you're there, just go ahead and press on the API keys option right here on the left, and you should directly be going here to the API keys. Then you're gonna have to create an API key. Just go ahead and press on create key and change your workplace into default and name your key. Then just go ahead and press on add and copy the key that you are given. Go back to Klein in your VS Code. Then just go ahead and paste that Anthropic API key to the option where you can, of course, and press on let's go. Then just go ahead and press on the settings again, and after that you should be able to use the Claude AI from Klein. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.